Say good morning. Come on back and see if you can clean up my radio and let me know what's going on. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, break, break, break.
Yeah, about it, Trinitron9, Trinitron. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time.
I was hearing you pretty good that time around, but peanut butter and jelly came in there and said peanut butter and jelly time. I was hearing you real good coming back to Coney Ellen that time, but we got peanut butter and jelly out there. Good morning, peanut butter and jelly. Good morning, peanut butter and jelly. You said it's peanut butter and jelly time. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the wave.
Got it one more time. Good morning, Trinitron9. How about it? Good morning, Trinitron9. Wake up, get the radio check. It's peanut butter jelly. It's working.
Alright, I appreciate the wave and peanut butter and jelly. I appreciate you also out there, no doubt about it. It's a good day to walk in the water. It's a good day to walk in the water. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the morning wave, with the morning wave. Break, break, break.
Very big foul motion beer. Good morning, time to you. Sounding good in the big roots. Foul motion beer. XYZ is back out.
Hey, he must be sounding real good in your radio. XYZ, he must be sounding real good in your radio, because you're sounding real good in my radio. XYZ, Fire Marshal Bill must be sounding real good in your radio, because you sounding real good in my radio. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, good down.
Hi, XYZ. Have a good day. XYZ, it's peanut butter jelly time. Bye.
Who gonna clean up my radio? Trinitron9 wanna know who gonna clean up my radio, who gonna put it where it can get it, who gonna clean out this Coney Ellen base station. Break, break, break.
Feel I'm backward.
Where's my conditions? Where's my conditions? Where's my conditions? I'm walking on this water, riding these waves of the Coney Ellen. I don't do no ghost talking, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Break, break, break.
The conditions between the bread slices.
You said the conditions are between the bread slices. You said the conditions are between the bread slices. I heard your peanut butter and jelly. Your Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, standing by. Who gonna stand up to the plate? Who gonna stand up to the plate and put it where I can get it? Who gonna stand up to the plate and put it where I can get it? Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, just got down.
XYZ back out. Bump and grind. Right.
Hey man, you came all the way up in my radio. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind either. You came all up in my Coney Ellen radio. Trinitron9 with the wave. Break, break, break.
Good morning, T9. Good morning, T9. A little bit of watchmaker on the dipole. I heard you in there. I heard you been bumping and grinding for the last 5 minutes. Figure out wave a hand. Hey, T9, your watchmaker, small hammer.
Hey watchmaker, you all by yourself on that dipole. You all by yourself on that dipole. Hey watchmaker, you all by yourself on that dipole. The video gate don't lie. Break, break, break.
A few of them in there with you. Mother Nature not quite on me. I don't know what's going on over here in the panhandle today, but you sound real good as always, T9. My good friend, Trinitron9. Trying to dipole, top of the week to ya.
Top of the week, top of the week. Hey watchmaker, I don't know who else is trying to get in there, but I mean, they not doing too much to you there. I got 99% of what you just said, all by yourself. Hey watchmaker, I'm just trying to test the temperature out here. I'm just getting out here. I'm just trying to test this temperature. I didn't really start walking in the water yet. I want to make sure my feet don't get hurt. I want to make sure they don't get hurt there. Hey watchmaker, I'm just testing the temperature out here in Coney Ellen. You know, I walk in the water, I ride the waves, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Say watchmaker, Trinitron9, break, break, break.
410 on testing the waters, and warming it up there, a little testing the waters. what's the deal?
Yeah, XYZ, look at your 127 Live, New York 8.
Here I come again, here I come again. I know the deal, I know the deal, I know the deal. Hey, watchmaker, let me go back to the shoreline. Let me go back to the shoreline to plot my course, so I can plot my course to see where I'm gonna walk. XYZ and all the good time gang. I'm going back to the shoreline. Hey, watchmaker, I'll catch you on the next wave. Look for the man walking on the water. Hey, watchmaker, I'll catch you on the next wave. Look for the man walking on the water. Bye, bye, bye.
Alright, then we'll catch you. No two ways about it, T9, always sounding good. I'll be around here today working on some watches and keep an eye on the radio. Hey, Trinitron9, your watchmakers. Small hammer on the dipole. Got down.
Got down, got down, got down. Bye, 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 bye.
Hey, Trin, where the heck you going, man? You were the best thing in my video game. I caught his little tail and a watchmaker out there. I don't know if he's got his video game wrong. And I caught XYZ. I'm in like the 52-minute zone, man. The 52-minute zone in your live video game. 525 always I come off the key. 5250, I'm down.
Here, Roger D, the Pistolgripp, no doubt about it there. Watchmaker was all in my radio. XYZ was all in my radio too, but he didn't have no conditions on me there. No doubt about it. Pistolgripp. I still got the gate rolling. I still got the gate rolling on my side. The man walking on the water just got down. And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Trinitron9 with the wave. Just testing these waters. The temperature's looking good. The sun is shining. It's a good day to walk on the water. It's gonna be a good day to walk on the water. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island just got down. I heard you say, how about a Trinitron? I'm still waiting to get all your information, man. I know you've been in there for about 10 minutes. I'm still waiting to get all your information, man. I heard you say, how about a Trinitron9? Try to put it back in my ear hole and give me all your information. It was rough and tough the last few times. Trinitron9, deep waters, break, break, break. Hello around Southeast Georgia. Hello around Southeast Georgia. Hello around Southeast Georgia. I appreciate you stepping in there cleaning up my radio. Hello around Southeast Georgia. Trinitron9 with the morning wave. Break, break, break. Let me get this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9 just got down.
But don't forget the Ziploc bag. Don't forget the duck plug and Ziploc bag.
Buy peanut butter and jelly and all the good time gang. Buy peanut butter and jelly and all the good time gang. The man walking on the water, riding the waves. The man that don't ghost talk. The man that ain't afraid of no ghosts just got down.
Alright, good day, July. I heard that Sasquatch out there, monster truck, monster truck, monster truck, monster truck.
And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Trinitron9, Coney Island, walking on the water, riding the waves. I'm walking on the water and I'm riding these waves and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Break, break, break.
Have a good day, Mickey Mouse. I said, have a good day. I'm heading for the house. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Truck, this is pickup truck. Hey, Mickey Mouse, number 4, pickup call.
wanna know who gonna clean up my radio, who gonna put it where I can get it, who gonna clean up my radio, who gonna put it where I can get it. Trinitron9 in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Fucking easy run right there.
I'm standing straight and tall in these deep waters of Coney Island. It's Russ out here. I'm standing straight and tall in these deep waters of Coney Island, but it's Russ out here, no doubt about it. It's Russ out here this morning, but I'm standing straight and tall in these deep waters of Coney Island, and I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, got down?
Monster truck, monster truck, monster truck. I had Mickey Mouse under my wheel. I had Mickey Mouse in my ear under my wheel, monster truck.
And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. I'm bumping and grinding out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm bumping and grinding out here in these deep waters of Coney Island. The man walking on the water, riding these waves of the Coney Island. Just got down.